the English language, when we want to combine two words together to make them shorter for writing or reading, speaking, what we want to do is make a contraction. And a contraction could be illustrated with our example right here, where we have I cannot. Say, I cannot do something. I cannot fix the engine in my car. So we could use a contraction to make this shorter and say, I can't fix the engine in my car. So I-C-A-N apostrophe T. I can't. Next we have I will, where the contraction form of it is I'll. So you say, I will go to the mall to shop for a gift. Or you could say, I'll go to the mall to shop for a gift. So, again, shorter, a contraction, I apostrophe LL. Next we have it is, or the contraction, which is it's, IT apostrophe S. You say, it is going to rain outside today. But much more commonly, people will say, it's going to rain outside today. Next we have will not, something I'm not going to do. So you say won't, the contraction of that, W-O-N apostrophe T. I won't be going to play bowling because I don't have enough time. Next they are, or there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R. Say they're going out for dinner later today at that nice new restaurant. Next, I am. I apostrophe M, which is said like I'm. Say, I'm going to sleep now, it's getting late. And last we have, with a contraction we've, W-E apostrophe V-E. Say, we've been going to that park for 10 years